Oral health and hygiene is very important in the lives of the people you care for. So, to help you help them, we'll define oral health and identify risk factors.
You haven't eaten your biscuits yet.
Oh, I'm fine by 11:08, thanks all the same.
I don't remember you didn't eat much for lunch yesterday either. But you're drinking lemonade, eating little lollies. Maybe that's why you're not hungry.
Well, I'm enjoying the lollies and I find my mouth's dry all the time. Eating the lollies helps.
We'll explain the consequences of poor oral hygiene.
Are you having pain in your mouth?
I don't want to make a fuss.
We'll implement strategies for preventing poor oral hygiene. And we'll show you how to assist an older person in the cleaning of their teeth and dentures. When caring for older people, one of the best things you can do is to observe the whole person. And if you always stop, check, and act, then the person in your care will have better oral health.